sinikreto, anong hilig mo nikreto? There are many things that I like to keep secret, like pistachio chocolates hidden behind my bookcase, a shoebox of love letters hidden somewhere in my room, the cherry bomb in my pocket, just waiting to be lit, the vibrator I desperately try to hide from my mother deep inside my underwear drawer, but out of all of my secrets. You're my favorite. You're my mobile phone ringing at 3 a.m. and I'm desperately trying to run down the building door to open it. I'm just desperately making sure no one else can hear it creak the way that you are boxers now. Because you like to keep the boys well ventilated. The way your hair looks after a night of binge drinking, like tumbleweed being blown away by the desert storm. The way we say I love yous in our sleep. Silently. With no traces left in the morning. I keep you in my left breast pocket, closest to my heart, while I'm stashed away in the back pocket of your jeans, barely breaking your confidence stride. You said the world wasn't ready for us. That this is more exciting, more fascinating. All the clandestine rendezvous, the 3 o'clock phone calls, the cherry bomb in my pocket, the secret love letters, the way we say I love yous in our sleep, the way your hair looks in the morning. I've wanted so long to be the queen of your castle. But for now, I'll settle as the jester in your court. Until that time comes, I'll wait for you at the corner of Prince and Bowery every morning at 3, hoping that someday you'll end up loving me.
Oh.